My name is Uroš Davidović. I'm from Serbia. Everything we saw on the LOVOL tractors, it is becoming more and more advanced. So LOVOL is really at the forefront of development of agricultural machinery. I'm really telling you without any doubts in that.
All the machinery, it's out of this world, and it's very, very impressive. So it's really important for us to come here and have an understanding of what you are producing and what can be developed into the British market, and especially for me as a hill farmer, you know, it's specialised, so we need a tractor that's fit for purpose, that's going to do a job, that's durable, that's reliable, it's affordable. All these things are very, very important for us, so I am very happy to be sitting in this tractor. Next time, maybe it will be in the UK and I'll be driving it on my farm.